Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video we are just kind of hanging, chilling out. So I saw a painting yesterday, right, and it really inspired me for like an eyeshadow look. And the painting was of like oranges and purples, so it had like an orange, then like a lighter kind of lilac-y purple, and then like a more deeper purple. And for some reason I was instantly like, that would look so cute like as an eyeshadow look. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm literally just trying things because the painting just kind of really inspired me. My hair is just janky because it needs to be washed, and honestly I just cannot be bothered. So I brought a couple of things out to play with, and bringing out eyeshadows to do this video really made me realize that I need to get a bunch of colorful single eyeshadows, because I really don't have any. So that's like my next little purpose in life, is to build up my colorful single eyeshadows, because I really don't have a lot. But anyway, so I just brought out some random stuff to use. For the orange, I think we're gonna use this shade right here by Colourpop called Bratty. And for the deeper purple, we're also gonna use this shade by Colourpop. So we're gonna use Bratty and Going Steady. And then for the lilac-y, like the lighter purple, I have here the Colourpop It's My Pleasure palette, because this lilac purple right here looks really pretty. This is called Kitten Fish. So first I need kind of just like a base shadow, right? So we're gonna go into this shade right here. This is the Colourpop shade in Paper Tiger. This color is like a yellow beige color. On me though, it doesn't really show up true to color, but if you have lighter skin than me, I'm pretty sure this will be more yellow toned on you. But on me, as you can see, it just shows up like a little wash. I actually really like using this color for this purpose, just like all over the lid. And I also like using this as like my first transition shade. First, we're gonna go in with the orange. And once again, this is called Bratty. Into the crease of my eye. I really need to clean my makeup brush, because can you see on this eye, the brush I used added a whole bunch of glitter. I'm gonna do that tonight for sure. Okay, and I'm just figuring this out as I go. I have no plan for anything. And I'm just gonna take a little smaller lid brush. So now I'm going to go into the Colourpop It's My Pleasure. I'm gonna grab this lilac shade right here called Kitten Fish. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Let's see how potent this shade is. Probably gonna have to build it up quite a bit. That built up pretty quick and looked pretty good. So I'm intentionally going in the inner corner, and I'm also intentionally going up toward the crease. This is a really pretty shade. I love it. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics number 10 brush in the Color Festival brush set. I'm gonna come right back to the eyes, but I wanna add a little brown. Do we wanna add a brown? No. What do you guys think about adding this blue right here? Let's add a little bit of this blue. This is the Colourpop shadow in the shade Formation. By the way, Colourpop's matte single shadows are my favorites because they are so pigmented. They blend out so amazing. To me, the matte shadows are better than the shimmer shadows, at least the ones I've tried. I just really love the matte shadows. Like, those are honestly my favorite. So I'm gonna like keep this inner portion of the eye here blank, because I want to add just a little bit of a shimmer shade. I really want to do a look with this blue shade we're putting down like all over the lid, because it's such a pretty shade. I'm just like a color wheel today, and I actually really love it. So now in the inner corner, I actually want to take this pretty shade right here. What is this called? This is called Earth Shine. Or should I take Mr. Sandman? Let's take Mr. Sandman, this one right here. Just gonna pop that in this portion of the eye. I like that. I'm intentionally avoiding adding this to like the actual inner corner just because I feel like it looks really cool like reversed. Okay, so also this might like change up the whole look, but I just got this in by Pixi. I ordered it. This is the glittery eye quad. This one is in the shade Rose Bronze. I actually posted this on my makeup Instagram account yesterday, so follow me there if you're into makeup and stuff like that. But I think that this is so freaking stunning. It comes with 4 different glittery eye shades, and so I kind of want to do like a little purple color on the inner part of my eye. Should we go with this one or this one? This one has many different reflex. It's like blue and green and purple, and this one is more purple. So let's go with this one. So the directions on the box doesn't say you need like a glitter primer or anything. Yeah, it says use on bare lids or layer on top of your favorite eye look. So let's go in with the fingers on this purple. Want to be kind of careful because this is glitter. Your eyes are open. I'm just gonna add some mascara. If you do lashes, you like lashes, put lashes on. I think this will really bring this look out, but I don't do lashes, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So I am going to quit the video now. I'm not going to show you like the full rest of the look just because I'm actually about to film a blush video. So I want to keep my cheeks bare so that I can like apply different kind of blushes in the video. So that is it. Thanks for sticking around while I just play an eyeshadow basically. The look is not too bad. I actually don't think it's too bad. I think it looks pretty cool. Just a bunch of different colors, glitter on the eyes. It's just fun to like just play in stuff you have, new things you get. It's just fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really chill, laid back, fun look. Hopefully it inspires you to play in your colorful stash and see what you come out with. So that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. I have 2 different Instagrams, a makeup one and also a regular degular smegular one. It's always linked down below in the description box. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Peace.